India in 2050. In Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, 1,000 drones deployed from the airport. Smartphones, gene fans, iPods, groceries, whatnot, everything is being self-driven by drones. In Mumbai, a family is preparing mutton curry, but there are no onions left. But the grocery store delivered onions in just 5 minutes with drones. In Bengaluru, a housewife opened her refrigerator and saw there are no fruits, no apples, no kiwi fruits, no bananas. Immediately she ordered 5 kgs of bananas, 10 kgs of apples. In just 4 minutes, drones delivered fruits to her home. In Rajasthan, relatives gave a surprise visit and the family ordered chicken biryani. In just few minutes, the biryani reached to their family at their main gate. In Kolkata, a grandfather all of a sudden suffering with fever and the drones delivered Dolo 650 tablets to their house in just 2 minutes. Well, this seems to be imagination, but it will be possible in 2050 with the help of artificial intelligence. Welcome to AI English and I am Krishna Mandela. By 2050, our entire delivery system is going to replace with drones. Already in Africa continent, the country called Rwanda is already using drone transportation. In Rwanda, the road system is too bad. Even for 5 to 10 kilometers of travel, people used to take long hours like 3 to 4 hours. But a company called Zipline came into picture with artificial intelligence. They completely transformed the delivery structure with drones. Using artificial intelligence, Zipline company is able to deliver emergency goods like blood to pregnant women and somebody who lost blood during an accident. All they need to do is just order how much blood they need through a message or through WhatsApp. Then immediately the Zipline database will take the order and deliver the blood with drones. And these drones will work autonomously with computer vision using with artificial intelligence. The route will be pre-planned with computers using artificial intelligence. In just few minutes, the blood packets will be delivered to the patient and the flight will be returned back to deploy another order. And this kind of innovation with artificial intelligence saving lot of people's lives. And definitely in India by 2050, most of our delivery system will be reshaped with drone technology, especially in traffic road conditions. In cities like Mumbai, Delhi and Hyderabad, these drones will play a massive role for emergency goods delivery. And we need to be thankful for artificial intelligence for reshaping our future and helping the humans by saving their lives. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to AI English. And if you are interested to watch facts videos, please to subscribe to MVS Facts English.